I'm Agne from L2Show, and we're talking to Alan Chiu from BOBA Network. Hello, Alan.
Hi, nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you again. It's been a while since we talked to BOBA Network. They were transitioning from OMG token holders to BOBA, and really has been lots of development since then. Tell me about more. How has it been? How was your journey?
So good to see you again. So much has happened since we last spoke. For example, since we launched our mainnet, we also launched a major new protocol called Hybrid Compute, which is unique to BOBA. What Hybrid Compute does is it allows smart contracts to talk to the outside world. They can call any external APIs they want. And that means developers can build smart contracts that give out on-chain rewards based on off-chain actions. Now you can call the Twitter API, Spotify API, or actually even their own API. So imagine creating a DeFi protocol with a much more sophisticated trading model that runs off-chain, and your on-chain contract can call that. And so this seamless interoperability between Web 2 and Web 3 is why we built Hybrid Compute, and it's live. It's available on our mainnet today, and a lot of developers are excited about that.
That sounds great. So what kind of applications would be applicable for Hybrid Compute? Can you tell us some more?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. So for example, you can create let's say you want to lend against some NFTs, right? Create an NFT lending protocol.
Sure.
Well, certainly you will want to find out how much these NFTs are actually worth. You can build a machine learning driven valuation model that runs off-chain and have your on-chain lending protocol, call that off-chain model and get a valuation number back, right? So you can do much more sophisticated modeling. You can also create on-chain dynamic NFTs that are synchronized with your gaming engine that runs off-chain, of course, on Unreal or Unity, right? And now these NFTs that are on-chain could evolve based on how the player is doing in the game, so making the NFTs much more interesting.
Okay, sounds very exciting. I know that you've done a hackathon for this and similar applications. Can you tell a little bit more about this as well?
Yeah, we've been rolling out quite a few hackathons. There's a current one that's active. We've partnered with Dora Hacks to do a hackathon on BOBA. We've already received dozens of submissions. Super excited about what developers are doing, because Hybrid Compute really opens up the design space for developers. They can build much more interesting Web3 applications than before. And can't wait to see what comes out of the Dora Hacks hackathon. We've also partnered with eGlobal to sponsor in-person hackathons around the world.
Sure.
So that's already started happening and will continue to happen throughout the rest of the year.
Sure. So when is the end of this hackathon? How long do we still have?
So we have just wrapped up the first phase. The second phase has just started, so that there's another month left in the Dora Hacks hackathon.
Okay, but I understand the developers, if they want to do things on BOBA, they still can apply in Ethereum Global Hackathons. They will find BOBA, right?
Yes, absolutely. And you should also come to our website, boba.network, and apply for developer grants if you're interested.
Thank you very much for the information. Tell us more about what's next for BOBA. I know that you have some exciting plans.
Oh, what's next for BOBA? So, going back to our vision is to extend the benefits of crypto to everybody on the planet, right?
Okay.
And that's why we created Hybrid Compute, because we wanted to bring more developers into the ecosystem and build more exciting applications. It also means we want to take the Hybrid Compute protocol beyond Ethereum and to as many layer ones as possible. So we're going multi-chain and offering Hybrid Compute to all the developers without requiring them to jump to come into the Ethereum ecosystem. They might be building on other layer ones already, and we welcome them to jump onto BOBA and take advantage of what we have to offer.
Okay, this is very exciting, really indeed. So the future is definitely multi-chain, not only the layer 2s. Anything else exciting that you would like to share with us on this Layer 2 show?
Well, we're going to be only multi-chain layer 2, offering something truly exciting to developers.
Right.
And can't wait to see how that helps developers create more exciting applications all across the world.
And just a little bit more about multi-chain. Is it only EVM compatible, or any kind of criteria for which chains will you be using? Will you be choosing?
Yeah, we're starting with the ones that are EVM compatible. Those are the easiest ones for us to expand into, and we're already attracting some of the most popular applications on our partner layer ones to join BOBA.
Okay, very exciting. Personal, also interesting question. What kind of applications have been the most popular already on BOBA so far?
Well, definitely that's Oolong Swap.
Right.
The team is great. They continue to innovate around the product, and they have partnered with us on a Whack Me incentive program, which changes every month with new incentives and new targets rolling out to the community. And the users are just super excited about this partnership. So Oolong Swap is very much well loved by our community.
All right. Thank you so much, and I wish BOBA great success in the future, and hope the multi-chain really works out very well. Yes, thank you so much for your time, Alan.
Thank you so much. Yeah,
appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.